Okay, Blaz family. It's hump day. It's 2023 Impeccable. One box. Random serial. Everybody gets 4 complete left serial numbers. This is the fourth break we're doing to this. Let's do the randoms. 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 randoms. Let's move your numbers over. One, 2, 3, 4. Good luck. Double checking. 4 dice. 4 random. I don't know why that blue is happening. It's weird. But it works. Okay. Boom. Okay, so that's a big one. The 126, 51, and 76. And this one's big for Heath. 25, 50, 75. All redemptions will go to Heath Fleming. But remember, every spot is good because all of them can hit any card. That's why this is such a good way to break it. All right, let's go. Let's go. Next up is Prism. Where's the Impeccable? It's right here. Prism 2 box, pick your team is the next break. All right, let's just get this 1 of 1 crap out of the way right here. Let's just get that out of the way right here, right?
Keep the streak going.
Yep. Let's just get it out of the way and see a 1 of 1. And guys, remember, we have full case of this on the screen too. Full case is on the screen as well. You know, we don't take the top box. We'll take the middle. We'll hit the one in the middle. All right, let's keep the streak alive. Metal. How good do you guys run? You guys are getting the metal bar. You guys are you're getting the metal bar with your box. Congrats. All right, we're going to start out to 5, to 25. The 5 spot gets it. Spice Chicks, Devontae Adams. I don't think so, actually. I think that's you.
How did you get that number? 5. Oh, okay.
Yeah, you see that? Yeah, that's how it works.
Okay.
Those 4 numbers.
Yeah.
So it's like, and it's always the left serial.
Okay.
So it's like, here, the next one is a better example, right?
Yes.
Chris Godwin, 41 of 50. So this goes to the 41.
Gotcha.
And we don't really usually do this kind of a break where it's 4 complete serial numbers. It's just a different way of breaking.
Okay.
So this would go to collecting nostalgia. See, 16, 41, 66, 90, 91.
Yep.
So collecting nostalgia is going to hit this Chris Godwin.
And this is just a different type of break.
Yeah, it's a different way to do it. Oh, that's sick. He was a Miami Hurricane. What's up, SJL? What's up, buddy? All right, this guy was a Miami Hurricane. And he broke out with the New York Football Giants back in the early 2000s, I think, or late 90s. Then he wound up with this team, the Saints. Patch autograph to 15 of Jeremy Shockey. To the 9. That's going to Lucky, 00721. Nice hit, Luck. That's a pretty nice looking hit right there. Nice Shockey.
One of the best tight ends of my childhood.
He was really good.
Not a Hall of Famer. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
That's
Not a
crazy.
Hall of Famer.
That's crazy to me. Because he was literally one of the best during my childhood.
Yep. Oh, this is really good. Look at this. This is why you buy Impeccable. Ocho Cinco to the 16. Collecting nostalgia with the 3-color patch on card auto. That's cool.
That's my boy.
Ocho. It's a cool piece.
That's my boy.
Hold on. We have another cool one. We have another good one. We have another good one. But I need those big ass top loaders again. What is it? One? I don't even know if it's. Maybe it's 180s. This guy flies out of this product, which is always a good thing when you're the best in the world at what you do. Out of LSU, 2020 rookie. Oh! It's an RPA! To Spice Chicks Billy. Spice Chicks, how you feeling about killing the break now? How you feeling about killing the break now? To 10 2-color patch autograph of Justin Jefferson. That's gross. This won't fit in that. I'm going to need a bigger one. Damn it. You know what I might do? Screw it. Just go right here. Let's just do this. That'll probably work. Since it's such a big card, as in like the size of it, I'm not talking about what it's valued at. Even though it should be valued pretty damn big. Look at that thing. Look at the shape it's in. That's fantastic. I'm going to put it in a one-touch. All right, I have to do one more thing with it. Let's see if that does it. How loose is that going to be? It's still moving. It's still moving a little. Hold on. This might not work. Yes, that is going to work. That's perfect. That's perfect. Perfect. No wiggle. No wiggle. Perfect. All right. This is a really good box. Sean Clifford to the 86. This is going to Lucky. Lucky in the 86. And the last hit, I like it. I like it. One of the bright spots for the 2023 Denver Broncos. Rookie Marvin Mims to 35 with a helmet piece and a 3-color patch. Nice hit, Louis. Elketh gets this in the 13. Nice hit. Good start to the case. Guys, we're running this back. We're running this back. Shit. Really, really nice break.
It's a piece of the helmet on there?
Yeah, that's a piece of his helmet. I know. Godwin, Devontae, Sean Clifford auto, patch auto of Shockey to 15, patch auto of Ocho Cinco to 75, RPA, patch autograph if we took a time traveling machine back to 2020 it would be. This is just a veteran patch auto to 10 of the best in the world, Justin Jefferson, Marvin Mims. But that's just bad luck. Oh, the medal, my bad. The medal. We'll finish with the medal. Catfish, but that's not the way it normally. That's only because this is just how it turned out for this box. Every other box, it's been all different people hitting. All right, rookie out of Penn State. About 5 years ago. Silver bar to 25, Pro Bowl of Saquon Barkley for the New York Football Giants. And that is going to go to the 6. That's going to Lucinda. Lucinda Puderbor. Hi, Lucinda. How we doing? Nice hit. There we go. Nice and protected. Great break. Great break. Let's do another one. All right.